Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. How are you? I'm fine. This is me, Marwa Sarmoza. I'm from English Language Center, Bangladesh, the batch KD168B. So today we are going to talk about laptop. So this is my partner.
Hello my dear audience, Assalamualaikum. This is me Ram Shadibab. I'm from the famous English Language Center, Bangladesh, the batch KT16K. So today we're going to discussing about laptop. So let's start it.
Hi Adiba, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine also. Can I ask you some question?
Of course, you can ask me some question.
Who invented the laptop?
Adam Roswell invented the laptop. Why we use laptop?
We use laptop to do work, to store documents, etc. What is the harmful sides of the laptop? We can have eye problem.
We can have eye problem. We can have hand etc. What is laptop?
A laptop is a device that we use to watch cartoon movies, videos, etc. What is the important things in laptop?
The important thing of laptop, we can store anything in laptop. Why we buy laptop?
We can buy laptop from supermarket shops, laptop shop, mobile shop, etc. Do you love watching laptop?
Yes, I like to watch laptop. Thank you to discussion about laptop.
And it's all about. Thank you for listening. Carry on. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.